Hello and welcome to our vision. 2030, Future with Blockchain. It is the year of 2030. The blockchain technology has unfolded its potential. This is Ali. Ali wants to buy a t-shirt. Ali goes to his local store. Sustainability and fair trade products are important to him. But how can he make sure that the product really meets his wishes? Imagine a world where he can just scan a barcode on the price tag and the whole history of the supply chain pops up on his smartphone. Now Ali is able to track back where the cotton comes from, whether it was grown sustainable, if the involved workers were treated fairly and what mean of transportation was used. But how is this possible? The farmer, the sewer and the transportation company all upload their data and they are bundled together in a blockchain. Because of the blockchain technology, which is something like a public and decentralized bookkeeping system, full transparency and validity is created. Now Ali can make sure that the product was produced sustainable. And every person involved in the process of production was treated fairly. Ali is very proud of his new fair trade t-shirt. He is super happy. Be like Ali and use the blockchain technology to make the world a better place.